Understanding panning instruments in music production. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting topic that bridges the world of music and language learning: panning instruments. This concept is crucial in music production, and understanding it will not only enhance your English skills but also your appreciation for how music is made. Let's explore what it means to pan instruments in a mix and why it's so important. Panning, in music production, refers to the distribution of sound across the stereo field. Imagine wearing headphones. Some sounds come more from the left, some from the right, and others feel centered. Panning is the technique used to create this effect, allowing producers to place different instruments or sounds at various points between the left and right speakers. This technique helps in creating a spatial dimension in music, making the listening experience more dynamic and immersive. Panning serves several key purposes in music production. Separation of instruments. By positioning instruments in different parts of the stereo field, panning helps to avoid clutter and overlap, making each instrument clearly audible. Balance. It's essential to maintain a balanced mix where no side feels too heavy or empty. Panning helps in distributing elements evenly, creating depth and realism. Through panning, producers can mimic the way sounds are heard in real life, adding depth to the music and making it feel more live and realistic. While the concept might sound complex, the basics of panning are quite straightforward. 1. Identify the elements. Start by identifying all the elements in your mix. This could be vocals, guitars, drums, etc. 2. Decide on placement. Think about where each instrument would naturally sit in a live setting. For instance, if a guitar player stands to the left of the stage, you might pan the guitar slightly to the left. 3. Use panning controls. In your music production software, you'll find panning controls for each track. These can be adjusted to move the sound from left to right. 4. Experiment. There are no hard and fast rules. Experiment with different placements to see what sounds best and feels most balanced. Panning instruments is a vital technique in music production, adding dimension and clarity to the listening experience. By understanding and applying this concept, you can appreciate the intricacies of music production and enjoy a more immersive listening experience. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and helped you in your journey of learning English through the lens of music. Don't forget to practice listening to different music pieces and identifying how panning is used. See you in the next video.